Hello kids. Today we will practice simple sentences. Are you ready? Let's begin. Follow the blue circle and read along. This is a seahorse. Again. This is a seahorse. Now it's your turn. Good job. Seahorse is a small fish. Again. Seahorse is a small fish. Your turn. Very good. They live in the ocean. Again. They live in the ocean. Your turn. Good job. They can change their color. Again. They can change their color. Your turn. Good job. They don't have stomach. Again. They don't have stomach. Your turn. Good job. Are you ready to answer some questions? Question 1. Where do seahorses live? Option 1. Ocean. Option 2. Land. And the answer is option 1. Ocean. Seahorses live in the ocean. Question 2. Does a seahorse change color? Option 1. Yes. Option 2. No. And the answer is option 1. Yes. Seahorses do change their color. Question 3. Is a seahorse a big fish or a small fish? Option 1, big. Option 2, small. And the answer is option 2, small. Seahorse is a small fish. Good job. Thank you so much for reading along. Teaching Mama is very happy. Would you like to meet me in the next video? Till then, take care and bye-bye.